Are you looking for the top 5 best RC cars under $200? Before buying an RC car, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. Many of these options might seem similar, but the real differences lie in features that can make or break your experience. Let's dig into the top 5 RC cars under $200 to find the gems.
Product number 1. Agu Monster Truck. First up is the Agu Remote Control Car, priced at just $26.99. What caught my attention is its eye-catching design and cool spray function that mimics rocket boosters. If you want your kids to have an exciting adventure, this is worth a serious look. This monster truck is designed for young drivers, so it's super easy to control. It operates on a 2.4 GHz frequency, allowing multiple cars to race without interference. The flexible rubber tires mean kids can take it anywhere, indoors, on grass, or even in the sand. With a rechargeable battery offering around 25 minutes of playtime, it guarantees fun without constant interruptions. I also noticed that over 2,000 units were sold last month, showing it's a popular choice among parents. Now, some parents mentioned that it could be a bit slower for older kids. Here's the thing though, this truck is tailored for younger children aged 3 to 8, so it's perfect for their skill level. If your kid is a bit older and looking for speed, this might not be the best pick. For the price, it's a fantastic value for budding drivers. Now, if that truck's slower speed bothered you, the next one takes a product number 2. Maxtronic Amphibious RC Car. Next up is the Maxtronic Amphibious Remote Control Car, available for $29.99. The waterproof design immediately grabbed my attention. It's perfect for kids who want to have fun in water or on land. If your child dreams of both an RC car and boat, this is definitely worth checking out. What makes this car unique is its ability to tackle various terrains, including water. The sealed design means it can surf on water, bringing a whole new dimension to playtime. It can do 360-degree flips too, thanks to its unique protective cage, which adds to the thrill. Plus, it has a USB-C charging option, so you don't have to worry about constantly replacing batteries. With over 1,000 sold last month, it's clearly catching on. Now, some users pointed out that the car can get stuck in deeper waters, but honestly, most kids will have a blast as long as they're playing in safe, shallow areas. It's not a deal breaker, especially when you consider the fun factor. This is perfect for you if your child loves adventure and you want an all-terrain option. Skip this one if you're looking for a super fast racer. It's more about fun and exploration. Given its capabilities, it's a solid investment for outdoor play. Alright. That was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for
Product number 3, Kidsia Monster Truck. Now, let's talk about the Kidsia Remote Control Car, which is priced at $24.97. I was really impressed with its 1/16th scale and the speed it can reach, up to 20 kilometers per hour. If you want something that can keep up with the excitement of outdoor play, this is a great option. This truck features a powerful motor and a 2.4 GHz remote control that works up to 160 feet away. Imagine racing with friends without worrying about interference. The oversized rubber tires provide excellent grip on various surfaces, from grass to bumpy roads, ensuring that your child can have a blast without worrying about getting stuck. Plus, with over 1,000 sales last month, it's clearly a hit among young drivers. However, some parents expressed concern about the build quality not being as durable as expected. Here's my take. While it may not withstand extreme roughhousing, it's designed for kids between 4 and 12 years old, so it holds up well for typical play. This is great for you if you have a competitive child who enjoys racing. Skip this if you're looking for extreme durability, better suited for casual play. At this price, it's a fantastic option for those looking.
Product number 4. HyperGo H16PL Buggy. Fourth on our list is the HyperGo H16PL, priced at $99.99. This bad boy can reach speeds of up to 38 miles per hour, making it a thrilling option for older kids and even adults.
If you want something that'll give you that adrenaline rush, this is absolutely worth considering. The brushless motor provides incredible power and speed, while the 4WD design ensures excellent handling on all types of terrain. It comes with 2 sets of tires optimized for different surfaces, so you can switch them based on where you're racing. Plus, the high-strength composite chassis means it's built to withstand tough conditions, which is essential for any serious RC enthusiast. With over 600 units sold last month, it's proving to be quite popular. Now, some users mention that it can be a bit overwhelming for beginners, but honestly, if you're ready to jump into the world of high-speed racing, the adjustable throttle limits help you ease into it, making it manageable. This is perfect for you if you're an adult or an older kid ready for speed and challenges. Skip this if you want something simple and slow. This is a performance vehicle. For the price, the performance you get.
Product number 5, HyperGo H16BM truck. Finally, we have the HyperGo H16BM, available for $149.99. This truck takes things up a notch with a max speed of 42 miles per hour. If you're serious about RC racing, this might just be the one you need. With a brushless motor and a durable design, this truck can handle all sorts of terrain, from jumps to muddy tracks. The independent Smart ESC allows for a 3S power system, meaning you can amp it up with higher voltage batteries for even more speed. The 2.4 GHz transmitter offers great range, and with 600 plus units sold last month, it's a favorite among speed lovers. However, some reviews mention the price being a bit steep for beginners. But here's the thing, if you're serious about getting into RC racing, the performance and build quality make it worth every penny. It's designed for those who want something that lasts. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a high-performance RC car and are ready to invest in it.
So to wrap it all up, the Agugu Monster Truck is great for young adventurers. The Maxtronic amphibious car is perfect for water lovers. The Kidsia Monster Truck offers great speed for its price. The HyperGo H16PL is thrilling for speed junkies, and the HyperGo H16BM is for serious racers. Each of these has its strengths, so think about what fits your needs best. Happy racing!